Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLE 43 AMG Coupe. This one's a Selenite Gray. Underneath it is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist, illuminated running boards, 21-inch 5-spoke with black accents AMG wheels, bi-turbo 4MATIC badging on the side, black MB Tex interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, AMG GLE 43 badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 3 package with the driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, pre-safe. We've got Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, AMG illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push-start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, magic vision control, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE 43 Coupe has 9,605 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 43 AMG Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.